Let's whip up a margarita and ride the Mexican wave thanks to Altos Tequila. All right, first thing, we're gonna grab our glass, bang. We are going to pop a little bit of lime juice around the outside of this. And then we're gonna pop it in some salt. Salt rimmed, awesome. Alrighty, pop that off to the side. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop a handful of ice in our shaker. Bang. Followed with 50 mils of our Alto Tequila, straight in our shaker. Then we're gonna do 25 mils of lime juice, freshly squeezed, followed by 20 mils of triple sec. And once that's all in there, we'll give it a shake. Awesome. Pop that off. Put this over to the side for a moment. Grab our salt rim glass, pop that guy down. Another handful or so of ice straight in there. And then we're just gonna pour our delicious margarita mix straight in. A little lime wedge just to garnish it. I'm just gonna pop that straight in the top there. And there we have a margarita thanks to Alto Tequila. I'm gonna pass this on to Sketchy and let's see how you margarita.